When you want to tell someone about a skill or an activity you do well, there is one specific phrase you need. Let's look at the diagram to see how it breaks down. The first block is simple. The contraction I'm stands for I am. The second block is your signpost. Saying you are good at something tells the listener you have a specific ability. To build a complete sentence, we look at this formula. You pair the phrase directly with a noun. You can place subjects or activities right into that slot. I'm good at math, I'm good at chess, I'm good at sports. By locking in this single grammatical baseline, you gain the ability to communicate your core strengths. This structure allows you to share what you can do without navigating complex verb conjugations. Using a simple noun works for subjects like math, but it doesn't quite fit when you want to describe an active physical hobby or a specific action. To address that, we use this updated formula. When you attach an action to the phrase, you must add the letters ing to the end of the verb. So the action draw becomes drawing. The physical action swim becomes swimming. The same rule applies to daily skills. Read becomes reading, and write becomes writing. By appending that simple suffix, you convert an active verb into a noun-like state. This adjustment allows you to use the same basic sentence pattern to describe your actions and hobbies. Now, let's look at this diagram to spot a common mechanical error, dropping the to be verb. I good at drawing is incomplete. Once the word am drops into place, the sentence is grammatically sound. The second trap is forgetting to apply the transformation to action verbs. I'm good at swim is incorrect. You must add the ing to make it swimming. The third friction point involves the preposition. Beginners often default to saying they are good in math. Replacing in with at follows the standard pattern for indicating a skill. Addressing these three specific mechanical traps ensures that your use of this phrase is clear and follows the standard rules of English. Let's test this out. Look at the interface on screen. Take a moment to mentally insert a skill into each of these blank structures. Now try this cognitive test. Between option A, which uses the base verb, and option B, which uses the ing verb, which is the correct way to express an active skill? If you chose B, you applied the rule for action verbs correctly. This summary card shows both valid grammatical pathways side by side. You use the noun rule for subjects and the ing rule for actions. It's time to put this into practice. Look at the prompt on screen. Go to the comments and type out your own sentence using one of these two patterns. Understanding the mechanics is an important first step. To truly master the phrase, you must now take that structure and use it in your own daily English practice.